Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is John from Volkswagen Planet, coming to you on Thanksgiving Day. It is currently 82 degrees here in Tampa, Florida. Just want to give you guys a quick look at the skies. Not a cloud at all. You can tell by looking at the trees. It's real dry down here. And want to show you guys what I've been working on today. Had a couple hours to kill, so I decided to work on the 1972 Super Beetle. As you guys know from following the videos, this thing has come a long way thanks to several people in the VW community who has reached out their hand and to help me get this far. But today I was working on some things that is just really a pain in the butt, and you guys will agree as well. And I'm showing you what I've been working on, and maybe you guys can help me from here. So, turn on the ignition. Got both lights, which is good. For a while, I had them where they were flashing on and off. Come to find out that these are powered off the fuel vibrator. So I finally got that taken care of. I had the wire switch from the fuel vibrator onto the flasher relay, turn signal flasher relay. So I finally got these to I guess settle down, I guess you could say. When I start the car up, the generator light goes out. Now I've got the oil light stuck on, but I need to do some investigation on how to, or find out how to tell if a oil sending unit, or I guess it'd be a sending unit, because it's the wire that goes from the light itself behind there all the way to the sending unit. Now what happens is if I go up there and I turn around and I take this plug off like so, we'll go back up to the front of the car, inside the car and we will notice that the light is out. But when the car is running, the light stays on continuously, as you know, both lights typically kind of fade out. So I got a problem with that, and I'm going to look in the books, check out a couple YouTube videos, find out what's going on with that. I know by just process of elimination, we know we're getting power from the front to the back, and we know this wire is good. I don't know if the unit itself is bad, but I really haven't had a chance to get that far. So this is where we're at, guys. Like I said, I haven't really had a lot of time. I'm still working on some wiring issues. As you guys know, there's a little tab, grounding tab that goes down in this area, so I can, of course, ground the lights. You know, the tail lights. Got brake lights, but I do not have, or I got running lights, but do not have, I have running lights, but do not have brake lights. They do not light up. The connectors are hooked up from the master cylinder, so I'm still working on that. That's really all I've been really doing. I haven't really been doing much. Really haven't had a lot of time. Just came out today, started wiring all the spaghetti wires that are still left. Everything looks good. We're getting good voltage from the generator, so that's a plus. As you guys have been following us, I've got the front headlights working properly. Turn a light on real quick so you guys can see what's going on. Still working on that disaster of a mess, and I'm actually starting to do the speedometer. So that's all I've been really doing, guys. Want to say thank you guys for following it. Hope to get a lot more time, as believe it or not, I actually get more time when the seasons come like this, when the seasons come around, because people kind of leave me alone and do their own thing. Gonna put the Christmas lights up this weekend, and hopefully Monday morning get back to this mess again. So I hope you guys are having a happy Thanksgiving, and just be thankful for the simple things It's not necessarily the monetary things. Oh, I got a new car, or I got a new house, or I got this or that. Just be thankful that you're breathing, you're walking upright. What I always say is there's always somebody who has it worse off than you do. And believe me, guys, you become real thankful when you see somebody who has unfortunately been either born with a birth defect, or God forbid they got in a car accident. So it just makes you appreciate the small things a little bit more. And I'm going to finish the video up by this, guys. If you're on Facebook, check our group page out. It's a private group, but we will approve you if you answer all the questions correctly, or even answer the questions correctly. But hit us up at Facebook VW group page. It's called Volkswagen Planet. It's the same as the channel name here. I'm going to try to give you guys some more content, better content, and hopefully start the new year off right. Again, guys, have a happy Thanksgiving, and we'll catch you on the next video. Take care, stay safe, and best wishes to you and your family.